Here's Stella, wait for me to throw a stick off this long deck. I gotta see if I can get through it without falling through the holes first. Oh, shit. Wait. Go get it. Saint, go get her. Saint, go get her. Go get her. Jump. Jump. She's not having it. Go get her, Saint. Oh. Go get it, Saint. This is Saint, the little bulldog. Boxer. And that's my Stella, the lab, of course. Retrieving sticks in the water.